SoftWear Automation, we manufacture advanced machine vision robots that we call SEWBOTS. Very different. We are not a robotics company, we're a SEWBOTS company. Why is that different? Robots are traditionally used for manufacturing hard goods, and they don't work for soft goods like fabric and others. So at SoftWear, we have solved the problem of dealing with fabric using our SEWBOTS technology. And with this technology, we are going to be able to enable made-to-measure, on-demand manufacturing in local supply chains all over the world.
I think what you'll see by the rise of robotics in this digital process is the ability to make a good once it's ordered completely changes the sustainability process or sustainability results. But what you're going to see when this digital transformation takes place is once the order's placed, then the good's made. And what then happens is you're not having wasted product. You're not having to ship product. If you're producing locally in Europe or in the US, you have to have better energy use. You have to have better water use. You're not going to have labor-related issues.
It's also more profitable. Because if you have inventory that's sitting and not getting sold, that's costing you money. You're not going to make less product, but you're going to make the right amount of product at the right time. And the employment in this sector will actually be fruitful, right? So anyone who's still seamstress or anyone else who's still doing manual products is working on higher quality, higher value products, and they're getting paid more for it. Better working conditions. It's a win-win across the board that this industry gets.
I think in that 3-year time period, what we'll start to see is that this concept of design for automation, where automation has taken a much higher role in the kind of decision-making process and what goods are made or how they are made. Won't be just the brands with their design groups working in isolation. This idea of, okay, what's capable on machines and what products are capable and what features are capable, and then how do we use that in the design process to make the next series of goods, to make them as rapidly and as close to market and as responsive to the customer as possible.
Our relationship with Li&Fung is a very strategic and important relationship because our visions are aligned, right? We want to create a fully digital supply chain that essentially is nimble, agile, and can serve a wide variety of customers globally, right? So that's our core thesis for the partnership, and the alignment is very clear. I mean, if you want a digital supply chain, you need a digital manufacturing capability.